CSA free! 1, 2, 3, CSA!
If you're eager to win, if you're hunger for success, then you gotta work hard, like every single day.
There we go, boys! Fire it up, fire it up!
披住呢個 CSA 字，然後可以入到第一球波，嗰、個心情係真係想嗌到成個商場都 K 嘅。
Let's go!
back check 幫手 block shot， 我哋啲 forward 梗係會啦。
嬉皮笑臉，係啦。
And we can be assholes, but we gotta be competitive.
OK 嘅，OK 嘅。
我覺得佢哋都進步唔少，可以慢慢向住點樣做 as 一個 team 係我哋想教嘅。
我哋 ready 個 game 咧應該係24個鐘頭前去開始 ready。當你去到臨尾嗰一刻，你開始 care 嘅時候，已經太遲。
復場！玩！Good block, Kenji. Come on, boys! 5 miles. 勁，叻仔！
即係未必全世界都同 agree 我哋呢樣嘢。咁但係我覺得呢個係我哋嘅特色。呢個就係我哋 CSA。
It's not just like winning a gold medal. Like CSA going for number 1. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Honestly, I didn't think we'll lose.
輸啊，游水翻香港啦！喂，少我哋2句啊！